Hey buddy, today in this video, we're going to be making chicken tikka masala in the Instapot. Let's begin. The first thing what we're going to do is get the seasoning ready. We need some garam masala. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. We're going to need half tablespoon of ground cumin. Okay, that's half tablespoon of ground cumin. Half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, okay, that's 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix it all up. Okay, we're going to put this to the side for now, and we're going to start cutting up the chicken. We have here 4 chicken breasts from Costco, and it's around it's pretty close to 2.5 pounds. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to cut up the chicken into cubes. Okay, we're going to cut up the chicken into cubes. Just cut down in the middle and then cut them into chunks. Okay, that's it. First thing what we're going to do is put the chicken into the seasoning. There we go. I'm going to go wash my hands real quick. Okay, we have the chicken in the seasoning. We're just going to mix it all up. Spread the seasoning around. Make sure the seasoning is nicely mixed in with the chicken. Okay. Now, the dry seasoning is all mixed up pretty even. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. That's 1 and 2 tablespoons. We're going to close it and mix that all in too. Okay, it's nicely mixed in. We're going to open it back up again, and we're going to put some plain yogurt in it. We have here 1 cup of plain yogurt, and we're going to put it in. Okay, it's nicely mixed in. You have a couple options. You can let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour, or you can put it in the fridge overnight and then cook it. And we're going to leave it in the fridge overnight, and we'll be back. Okay, the chicken has been marinated overnight in the fridge. And the next thing what we're going to do is make some basmati white rice. We have some basmati rice from Costco. And I have some pre-washed basmati rice right here. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to pour some water into the basmati white rice that's been washed. Okay, you want a little bit over 1/4 inch of water above the surface of the white rice for basmati rice. If you're doing regular white rice, you want a 1/2 inch of water. Okay, it's ready to go. We're going to start to cook. And we're gonna let it cook. Okay, back to the chicken. We're gonna cook the white onion first, and then the chicken. First thing what we're gonna do is hit saute mode, and it's on normal, which is fine. And we're gonna let it preheat first, and we'll be back. Okay, the Instapot is fully heated up. We're just gonna add some cooking oil. 2 cups of chopped up white onions. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, we browned it up. Now we're going to add the chicken in. There we go. Gonna stir it up. We just want to cook it a little bit on the surface. And stir everything all together. Spread the chicken out and let it cook. We're gonna flip it over real quick. We just want to sear the surface of the chicken. Okay, it looks like the other side of the chicken has been seared. And we're going to turn off the saute mode. Okay, we're going to add a cup of water. We're going to add some tomato sauce. It's around 15 ounces. We're adding a half stick of butter. We need 1 teaspoon of salt. By the way, that's salted butter. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. And 2 tablespoons of garam masala. 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We also have here 1 cup of chopped up cilantro. We also need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix everything all together. Okay, we're set. Make sure to deglaze the pot and remove any food stuck on the bottom. Just quickly go through and make sure that there's nothing stuck on it. Okay, we deglazed the pot and now we're going to close it up. Okay, we're going to put it on pressure cook. We're going for 6 minutes on high. We'll be back once the Instant Pot has fully preheated. Okay, the red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully pressurized. And we're just waiting for the timer to start for 6 minutes. Okay, the Instant Pot has fully preheated and the timer has started for 6 minutes on high pressure. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes and now we're going to release the pressure. Okay, the pin has dropped back down. That means safe to open. Looking good. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is cancel. And then put it back on saute mode. Stir it a little bit. Next, we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. We're going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream and stir everything all together. Okay, it's boiling. It's been a couple minutes and I like my sauce to be less runny, so we're going to add some cornstarch. We have here a 1/4 cup of water and we're going to add 2 cornstarch into the cup. Stir it up. Make sure everything is nicely mixed in. And we're just going to pour slowly some cornstarch water mixture into the pot to thicken it up. You can add more or less cornstarch water mixture depending on how thick you like the sauce to be. Okay, we're done. And next we're gonna cancel saute mode and just keep it on warm. Okay, the rice is ready. The light is on warm. And we're gonna scoop out some of the basmati white rice. Next, we're gonna put the chicken tikka masala on top. Okay, we're gonna take some of the chicken tikka masala and put it on top. Next, we're going to take some cilantro leaves and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, chicken tikka masala made in the Instapot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.